Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our regular blues scale and make it sound major. So like a D blues. To give it a major tonality over like a D major chord. We're going to go back 3 frets from here. So we're going to go down to here, the 7. There's our new root note instead of up here for the blues, right? So check it out. Now you could do the same thing in the key of A. Instead of playing it up here, we're going to go back 3 frets from here. So 1, 2, 3. So it'll be something like this. It works in any key. Key of G. Play it up here in the E position. Which was the E blues. Same notes, just different, slightly different licks. You'll figure it out.